Hi there. My name is Emma, and today I want to tell you a little story. It's the story of how I learned English. I was not born in an English-speaking country. At first, I didn't know many words. I was shy. I was afraid to make mistakes. But now, I can speak English with people around the world. And I want to help you do the same. How did I do it? I practiced every day. Not for hours, just a little bit each day, step by step. In this video, I will tell you what I did, the small things that helped me, the daily habits I used to learn and speak better English. Are you ready? Let's begin. When I started learning English, I didn't know where to begin. There were so many words, so many rules. I felt a little lost. So I made a simple plan, a daily routine. I told myself, Emma, just practice English every day. Even for 15 minutes, that's enough. And that's what I did. Every morning after breakfast, I sat down with my tea and I studied. Sometimes I read. Sometimes I listened to a podcast. Sometimes I learned new words. But I did something in English every single day. I also wrote small goals in my notebook, like learn 5 new words, watch 1 video in English, write 3 sentences. These goals were easy, and when I finished them, I felt happy. I felt proud, and I wanted to keep going. So, if you want to learn English too, start with one simple habit. Pick a time, morning, evening, lunchtime, and do 1 English thing every day. That's how my journey began. One big change for me was listening. I started listening to English every day, not just in class, but while I was doing other things. In the morning, I listened to a podcast. While cooking, I played English music. While walking, I listened to short stories. At first, I didn't understand everything. Sometimes only 30%. But that's okay. I didn't stop. I listened again and again. Slowly, my ears got better. I started to hear more words. I understood more. Listening helped me speak better too, because I heard how real English sounds. Now, listening is part of my day, like brushing my teeth or drinking tea. It's a simple habit, but very powerful. After I started listening every day, I learned something new. It's called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to someone speaking English and you repeat the same words at the same time or just after, like a shadow. So, I listened to short audio or videos, then I repeated what I heard. For example, I heard, "I want to learn English." Then I said, "I want to learn English." I didn't stop. I didn't translate. I just copied the sound, the speed, the voice. At first, it was hard, but after some days, it felt easier. My mouth moved faster. My pronunciation was better. I felt more confident. I did this for just 5 minutes a day, and it really helped me speak better. One day, I asked myself, can I think in English? At first, it was difficult. I always translated in my head, from my language to English. That made me slow. So I started small, just little thoughts in English. When I woke up, I said in my mind, "It's morning. I'm tired. I want coffee." During the day, I thought, "The sky is blue. I have a meeting. This food is good." These were small sentences, but they helped my brain think in English. No more translation. Later, I said the thoughts out loud, quietly, like a whisper. It was like talking to myself in English. It felt strange at first, but soon it became a habit, and it really helped me speak faster and more naturally. Another thing that helped me was reading aloud. Reading silently is good, but reading aloud is even better. When I read aloud, my mouth, my tongue, and my brain work together. I started with easy books, children's stories, short dialogues from videos, or English stories for beginners. I read slowly. I tried to say every word clearly. Then I read the same text again, a little faster. Then again with more feeling, like an actor in a movie. This helped my pronunciation. It made my speaking smoother, and I felt more confident when I spoke to people. Reading aloud was like exercise for my mouth. The more I did it, the stronger my English became. I didn't just study English. I used English in my real life. I made small changes in my day. First, I changed my phone to English. Every time I looked at my phone, I saw English words like settings, download, delete. I didn't study these words. I just saw them many times, and I remembered them. Next, I started a short diary. Every night, I wrote 3 sentences about my day. For example, today I went to work. I was very tired. I watched an English video. I also recorded a 1-minute voice message every day. I spoke about my day, my plans, or my feelings. I listened to my voice, and I learned from my mistakes. I joined an online group for English learners. We sent short messages, voice notes, and questions to each other. Sometimes I watched short English videos and repeated the sentences I heard. These small actions made English part of my life. It was not homework anymore. It became a habit, and it felt natural to use English every day. So, this is how I learned English. I listened every day. I practiced shadowing. I thought in English. I read aloud. And I used English in my real life. I didn't wait for the perfect time. I didn't need to be perfect. I just practiced a little every day. You can do the same. You don't need to live in London. You don't need a teacher every day. Start small. 5 or 10 minutes is enough. Listen, speak, read, write, and make English part of your day. Step by step, your English will grow. You will feel more confident. And one day, you will say, I speak English. I believe you can do it. So start today.